Welcome to togomedia.com. This is WordPress tutorials showing you how to create a blog or how to create a professional website using WordPress. WordPress is a content management application system that can help you to create a blog or create a website for your own or for other clients. Now in this section of this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create image slideshows, image slides on your web page. So this is the WordPress dashboard. Now on the left section here you have your plugins. We are going to use a plugin called Slideshows that is going to help us to be able to create our slide animated images on our pages. So on the plugin section here, place your mouse there and click add new. So as we wait for the page to load, we are going to search for this plugin called Slideshows. Now on this section of the plugin dashboard, you have here search plugins. So click with your mouse inside and type slideshows, then press enter on your keyboard. There are various plugins relating to slideshow, but we are going to use one created by Stefan Boonstra. The one we are going to use for this training was created by Stefan Boonstra. So when the various slideshows opens, you locate for the one created by Stefan Boonstra. Yeah, it is very one by Stefan Boonstra. There are a lot of plugins. When you scroll down the page, you see various plugins, but we are going to use a simple, easy to learn plugin. So this one by Stefan Boonstra, you see the install button here, install now. You click on install now. So we are going to now install the slideshow onto our WordPress dashboard. That will enable us to be able to create our slide animated images. Now after installation, you see here activate the plugin. So you place your mouse here and you click activate plugin, so that the plugin slideshow integrates itself into the WordPress content account. Now after activation, you see on the left section here, slideshows is now activated in your content system. So we are now going to create a slideshow. So place your mouse on slideshows and click add new slideshow. We are going to create image and animated image slideshow for our page, or you can create for your post. Now in the slideshow section here, you have entered the title here. Now you have to give a name to the slideshow you are creating. So you can give any name. Let me type any name, each slide. You can give it any name that you want. So I give a name each slide. Now you scroll a little down the page, you see here slide list. You can create image slide, text slide, video slide, but we are going to, for this purpose of training, create image slides. So you are going to select your images from your computer. So you click on the button image slide. Now it opens the image slides, your media library, where you have various images. In your media library, if you have images uploaded before, I have some of the images here which I'm going to use, but let's see how you can upload an image from your computer onto the media libraries. See on the upload file section here, click upload files. Now you see drop files here or upload. So on the button in the middle section of the screen here, select files, you click, and it will take you to your computer wherever you have stored an image, whether it's on your desktop, your document, or in your downloads file or any folder that you have. So for the purpose of this training, I go to my desktop here and I scroll to look for an image that I can upload onto the media library to be used for the slide animation. Let me just pick this one image file. So you click on it and you click open. Now it loads the image. You see the loading progress here. It loads the image into your library. See, the image has been loaded. Now I want to select other images already in my media library. You see this one is ticked already, so I click on some of the images that I want to also include. You can include multiple images in your slide animated show. So you place your mouse of any image, you click, but before you can select multiple, place your mouse on the place your hand on the control CTR on your keyboard, CTRL on your keyboard. Place your mouse there after selecting one image. Then you can select, click on the image. Then you'll be selecting multiple images. So you see, as my hand is still on the CTRL on my keyboard, I can be clicking on the images because I want to select multiple images. I think this bicycle is the same, so I just click to disable one. So I click this one to include it. I click this one to include it. I click this one also to include it. So these are the images I want to use. If you want image from your desktop or computer, see the upload file. As we did previously, you select it from your location on your desktop, then it uploads into the media files. Now after uploads, you see the down section here, you have select. So we are going to click on the button select it to load the images onto our created slide, the slide that we just gave a name to. So I click on the select, then we wait for the page to load all the images into our created slide. Now as we wait for all the images to load, you see now the images are loaded. You can see here you have all the images. You can scroll down the pages, you can see all the images. Now you see down the details of the images. Here have the URL, your Unisource resource locator. You can give an address to the image so that when a user clicks on the image, it can lead or sends them to the location or the web address you gave. You can leave it like that if you don't have any link to add. Now let's come to the main section of the animation settings. So in the animation settings, you have slide image left to right, right to up, down, down to left. You have, so on the arrow here, you can choose random animation, crossfade, direct fade. We will choose random animation. There are various selection here. You can choose anyone that you want to use. Then come down a little to the page section here. You have the slideshow height. The height. This is the height of the slideshow, and this is the maximum weight of your slide. You can leave it to 0 so that it shows all your images, the weight of all your images. But if you want to cut down the weight of your images, you can customize it. For the purpose of this training, we will customize it to, let's say, 800. Want to set the size limit to 800. Then we'll set the height limit to 300, so you can limit the size so that it can show perfectly on your page or on your screen. So there we leave all other configuration intact like that. You can leave them intact like that. Then the last thing we'll do is now to save our slide. So this is our slide name, a slide. You see on the right section here, publish. So you click publish. That is a button that help you to save your work. So we are saving the slide now. Now you have created your slide, but we are going to now add the slide into our page or in our post, so that when a user visits that page, the slide will show up on their web browser. So you see, the slide has been created. To use this slideshow in your website, either add this piece of shortcode to your post or pages. So this is the post shortcode created for the slide. You can highlight it and you can copy it and paste it into wherever section of your page or post that you want the slide to appear. Alternatively too, you can visit your page. So let's say we want to go to the about section of our page. So on the left section of your dashboard here, we want to include the slideshows on our page. So you go to pages, you click all pages. So all pages will show up. Then you have to select which one of the page you want to include your slide. So let's say we want to include the slide on the about section of our page. So you see here you have edit, so you have to place your mouse and click the edit, that you are going to edit your page because you have already created your page. So on the edit section, as the page loads up, now this is the description section of your page. So the shortcode that you copied, you will paste it in the description section. So you can click inside the description section. This is a little text written here. I can highlight and delete it. Then I write view sample of our products. So this is where the care site is showing. This is where I'm going to add the slideshows. So you can right click and paste the shortcode that you copied from your slide. Alternatively to, you can just insert the slideshow easily. So on the insert slideshow section here, you click with your mouse the button insert slideshow. So this section will say select a slideshow. So this will display all your slideshows that you have created. After this training, we have created 8 slides. This is what we created. So you selected a slide and you click insert slideshow. So now you see your slideshow inserts onto the page. You see it's the same shortcode. So alternatively, you can copy your shortcode after you've created your slide, or you can just come to your page section where you want the slide to appear. You click on the insert slideshow and it will display. We want to use only one slide, so I'll highlight and delete one. That's it. I hope everything is clear. You can insert the slideshow directly on your page or post by coming to the page section here, or after you created your slideshow, you copy the shortcode given and come and paste it in your page or your blog. Now what we have to do is now save our work. So we scroll down the page to locate our update button. This is our update button here showing, so we publish. We click on the update to now publish our slide on our page. Now after the publication, we want to see how the page is still processing, so we wait for the processing. Then after the page is created, we want to see how the slides will be displaying in our web browser. So it said here page updated, view page. So we click on view page. We want to see how the page will be looking at in our browser. So I click on the view page and wait for the page to load. So this is an easy way to create animated slide show images on your blog or on your web pages. You can create nice looking animated images onto your website. So remember to use this easy plugin by Stefan Punstra. It's an easy plugin that will help you, that is called Slideshows, to help you to create easy slide. Now you can see beautiful slide being animated on our web page. You see the slides are being animated, so they are moving easily on the web page. So this is an easy way to create animated slide images on your web page or your blog. Just study it carefully and you can design a nice looking website. Now thank you for